Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for a Jupitrr AI affiliate program. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are looking to promote Jupitrr AI. So Jupitrr AI is an automatic B-roll placer within videos. And so let's say that your audience might be interested in Jupitrr AI. How do you actually sign up for the affiliate program? Either way, guys, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually do this is that you're going to go ahead and log into your Jupitrr AI account. And then on the left-hand side, you're going to see this affiliate option. So once you click on this affiliate option, you're going to see the option to sign up for the Jupitrr affiliate program or log in. But as you can see, you'll earn 30% of recurring commission for every new customer that you refer to Jupitrr AI. There's no limit how much you can earn. So simply just apply now, and then you could also even book a call with Harris, their co-founder. But that right there, guys, is how to actually sign up for the affiliate program for Jupitrr AI. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.